the domain of definition of function f of x is equal to root over x plus 3 upon 2 minus x into x plus x minus 5. So since domain of the function which is of the form under root of f of x is the value of x for which f of x is greater than or equals to 0. So here the under root of x plus 3 upon 2 minus x into x minus 5. So our function is defined so for this function, given function is defined, let us check. Given function f of x is defined for under root of the function here x plus 3 upon 2 minus x into x minus 5. So that should be greater than or equals to 0. X plus 3 upon 2 minus x into x minus 5 is greater than or equals to 0. So which implies we can write this also as x plus 3 upon, instead of 2 minus x, if I can take x minus 2, so I have taken minus, so the inequality will change, less than or equals to 0. Now we have 3 linear factors, 1 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. Either by using Wavy curve method you can do it, or just understanding the critical points, means the roots of each factor. For x plus 3 equals to 0, so that is x is equal to negative 3, first factor, and if for x minus 2 equals to 0, so that is x is equal to 2, second, and x minus 5 equals to 0, that is x is equal to 5. So these are the factors, and these numbers will decide the curve where it is positive and negative, the given function. So let's take the number line, mark these points in an order, minus 3 and 2 and 5. So it is divided into totally 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 intervals it is divided. So minus infinity comma minus 3 is one interval, minus 3 to 2 is another interval, and 2 to 5 it is another interval, and 5 to 8. So it is less than or equals to 0 in any of the intervals, like 1 or 2 intervals. That you have to check by taking any one example generally, or by using Wavy curve method. You can start taking the curve from the right side, start taking the curve from the rightmost root, that's 5, from the positive side, and then after coming to each and every root here, you have to check the power of the linear factor. If the power of the linear factor is odd, so it changes from positive to negative, the curve changes from positive to negative. And again at 2, the power of x minus 2 is 1, that's odd power, so again it changes from negative to positive, and again at x is equal to minus 3, it changes from positive to negative. So here we can say by Wavy curve method we can decide the sign. So in minus infinity to minus 3 it is negative, means we can say less than, and in minus 3 comma 2 it is again positive, and in 2 comma 5 it is again negative, and 5 comma infinity it is again positive. So we can write that x plus 3 less than or equals to 0 means 3 can be included, but 2 and 5 are excluded. So we can give for less than 0 means negative, we need to consider this one, and 2 comma 5. So we can write therefore x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 3. Minus 3 is included, can be included because it's less than or equals to 0, and union, and again the next number is 2 comma 5. 2 is excluded, 5 is also excluded, so we can use the open brackets 2 comma 5 because they are in the denominator, we cannot take. So x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 3 union 2 comma 5 is the domain of the function. And wavy curve method is explained in the wavy curve method is explained. The link will be given in the description box. Please check. Okay. Thank you.